Hello, good morning. This is my new, I don't know what to call it, jacket, shacket, uh, I don't know, denim, jean, blazer, whatever is it that you want to call it. This is my new thing. I have been looking at it and I've been thinking that I actually have a lot of different ways that I can actually style this beauty, style this amazing hybrid clothing. I want to wear this in a nighttime occasion, in a nighttime setting, nighttime meal milap. So I want to take that extra step. I want a little bit of extravagance in my look. This is a jacket, plain, simple, not much going on, but extremely beautiful in itself. I'm gonna start with a normal, almost same colored pants. Anything in one color or colors of similar family, when you wear it, it automatically looks more pleasing to the eye than mix and match. When you look at someone wear one color or one kind of color, one family of color, there's no break in the outfit. Okay, visually there's no break in the outfit. Visually, the entire outfit and the person wearing it, it looks extremely seamless. It feels like the outfit is flowing. But when you try and mix match, if you're doing it properly, then great. But if you are not doing it properly, it breaks. When you look at someone wearing all kinds of prints and all kinds of patterns or all kinds of colors from different families, from complementary colors, opposite colors, whatever the fuck, when you look at it, visually it's not pleasing to the eyes as compared to the monochromatic look, because visually there's some kind of break in the entire outfit. There's no seamlessness, there's no flowiness. There's like break, you know. So this is my first option. I like this. I like the pants, really nice, looks seamless, looks nice. What I can do is maybe put like a black shirt for a little bit of contrast, and maybe a black belt here, you know, it's looking nice. And then big earrings with this. Yeah, it looks nice, it looks good, it's not bad. Now if I don't want the pant, I want skirt, I can replace the pant with wow, I like this. I really do like it. I like this. Okay. If I want, I can remove the belt, just keep it like that, or take out the black shirt altogether. Okay, now I like this more because I am always drawn towards white shirts underneath absolutely anything, and a white shirt looks much more classier in my eyes. Okay, this everything that I'm talking about right now, it's my personal choice. You may not like it, you absolutely hate it, but you do you. Okay, you do you. Anyway, so I always prefer white shirts underneath. So even with this, I might go for white shirt. I think something like this might actually look good. If I'm talking about a nighttime, situation, this would look really nice. If you don't want to wear anything long, then we can go for shorts. Either this or okay, either this or this. I really like this, I really do like it. So this one, now I have pretty much made up my mind. Okay, so this underneath option 1, if I want something extremely extravagant, because this is extremely extravagant for me and it's in my dictionary, the definition of extravaganza. I really like this. With good earrings. Wait, let me get my earrings. How to put it? With these. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what I'm talking about. Those earrings with this entire look, it'll look really good. So I have a few things here to add more richness to this look. I can either keep it exactly like this, and with that, I can wear those earrings. These are the earrings I'm talking about. Or I can completely forget about them. And I can do a flower. Okay, now I really like this. I like a nice, flowery moment. I really like this one. So let's do one thing. Let's try this outfit and let's try the black short skirt outfit. I was just thinking, what if I wear black skirt? Because it looks very good with the black flower. What do you say? Let me just try 3 outfits then. We'll try the same with 2 different bottom and 1 completely different. Okay, I did my makeup. The flower. This is the first look. I love it. I really like it. I feel so nice. I feel so nice when I'm wearing this. I really like this look. This can be it. This can be it. It's also extremely comfortable. It's also extremely nice. It looks very classy. This might be my number 1. This might be the look that I go for. This can definitely be the one. I really like the black here, the black here, the black bag. Nice. This color really looks good with the black. Let's try the next one. This is so simple and so nice and so classy. I absolutely love this. Okay, now I'm confused. I like this more than the black one now. I like it. Oh, this is so simple and so nice. Maybe this is my number 1. I don't know. Maybe this is my number 1. I'm just so confused right now. I like this so much. Okay, you know what? Let me try the last one, okay? And then we'll decide what to wear. Okay. So this is the last look. And I'm again wearing big earrings with this. Okay. Earrings. These are the earrings I'm wearing. Big ass earring. And that's it. This is my 3rd look. I like it. I also like this one. I'm just so fucking... most of the time in my life, I'm not confused like this. I just know what to wear. I take time, but I know what to wear. But today, I just don't know. I don't know which one to pick. All 3 of these, I like all of them. What if I put a belt here? Will that make a difference? Do you like the belt? Oh my god, I hate the belt. It's bad. Anyway, I'm extremely confused. 1, 2, or 3. Just let me know which one. I'm confused. Let me know which one. You decide 1, 2, or 3 because I'm extremely confused this time. That's probably it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.